Happy New Year's and welcome to Jazz Journey. My name is Jasmine and today we're going to be doing an unboxing, the first box of 2023. This is for the base box from Boxycharm. I just did a video not long ago going over all the boxes I got for Boxycharm for the base box for 2022, so you guys could still check it out and see that all the boxes retail for almost $2,000 or $1,900, I think, and 47. But this is going to be the first box of this year. What I'm going to be doing, you guys, is doing an unboxing and showing you guys the 5 products that I received for the base box for this theme. But I'm not going to go into details and read what every single one of them are, because some people might not like it, you might not like it, you might not find interested, you just want to see the variation that I received. So in case you guys want to know more details about the product, as I mention the product, as I show you, I'm going to provide the information maybe on the bottom, so you guys could get to read a little bit more if you want to know more about the item that I received. So here is the theme for this month, for the first month of 2023, and it's so fresh and so clean. And yes, guys, I love the color. I noticed last year when I went back to look at all of 2022 themes, also I shared that in the video, most of them were almost these colors, and I'm not mad about that because this is my favorite color. But I was just kind of like surprised to see it again for 2023. So yes, guys, it's so fresh and so clean. So my variation value, the retail value, is $139, and as you know, the box price for the base is $27.99. So guys, the first item I'm going to go ahead and open and show you for this variation. I believe this is going to be a variation because this first item was a choice item. The choice item was between Wonder Beauty and Anastasia Beverly Hills. So the one I received was the palette, and this is an exclusive drop, and it's a new launch. So this is Wonder Beauty Sweet Escape palette. This one retails for $42. I did use the palette, I did play with the palette, and I like that the theme goes with the shades that you will see here, and it was pretty fun to see those shades. I feel like they're not as strong, but usually sometimes I'm a little disappointed with the purple, the lavender tones, because sometimes they're so intense or they just blend, but then they kind of like diffuse the color. It's not as intense as other colors are, so I know it's a hard color to make. So I feel like it did show a little bit, and it was a fun palette to play. I feel like the fun part of this palette was the shimmer tones, and you could see how they do change the colors. And I do like that they have some of those other warm tones. This one I would appreciate it that it would have been darker, so then these colors will pop more when you create an eye makeup look. I was kind of like almost about to grab another palette to make the corner eye a lot more intense, a lot more heavier or darker, but I just wanted to create a look just using this palette alone. So this one I wasn't as impressed. I wish that it was a little bit more darker so I could, I don't know, so the other colors could pop more. But from this palette, the ones that I like the most, I feel like, are the shimmer shades, and I do appreciate that it comes with the mirror. So let's go ahead and move on. The second product I did apply, and I did not apply it on camera, but I was very impressed with it. I'm not a fan of eyeliners yet. I struggle applying eyeliner, yes, but this one, it was so much easier, and I feel like this is going to be the one I'm going to grab on to continue practicing. I really need to up my game applying the eyeliner. This one is from Farah Liquid Eyeliner, and this is, guys, a new launch. This one retails for $20. This is a liquid eyeliner. You might think this is nothing impressive and nothing different. It's very simple, the same as other ones, but I have tried every eyeliner that I do get, and so far this one is the one that made it a lot easier for me. So yeah, I'm shocked to say that I'm impressed with it. So let's go ahead, guys, and move on to the next product. The next product I did apply on camera. I really wanted to try it out when I was showing you guys the products, and as you're going to be seeing, I'm going to be applying the products on this section so you guys get to see a little bit more up close. This is from Persona Cosmetics, Balm Tinted Lip Balm for $22. This lip balm, the shade that I received is called Manifest. It's a very pretty shade. When I was doing that video and opening it and testing it out and looking at it, it just reminds me so much of Rare Beauty. And it's funny because Rare Beauty, these type of balms I do like. I have it on my purse. The only thing I don't like is kind of like the scent. It feels like the scent, it's like if you apply sunscreen on. But this one I like because it has no scent, and it does claim to have nourishing ingredients. Vitamin E lip balm. Pretty good, right? So moving on, we only have 2 more products, and one of these products I'm excited for because it's something that I do include in my skincare routine. I have one from already that I use every other day, but I feel like I'm going to include this toner the days that I'm not using that other toner, and maybe I will use this at night. I am appreciating that now toners are coming more as a spray, so I do like that. It makes it a lot easier to apply. I tried it this morning to see if I'm going to have any reaction. I do love this brand, so I'm happy to see this in this box. This one is from Elements. This one is called Rehydrating Ginseng Toner. Retails for $37. This one's going to hydrate your skin. It has great ingredients, as you see, from ginseng, but when I applied it, it just gives me a little bit scent of rose. I don't know if that was me, and it doesn't contain any alcohol. So yeah, I do appreciate toners. I really like them, and I just love that it's a huge bottle, so I feel like I could use this in those days that I'm not using that other toner, and I could include this in my nighttime skincare routine. So I'm happy to see this in this box. So we just have one more product to go over, talk about, and share with you guys, so you guys can see my variation. And this one is from Lovecraft and Beauty Plasma Gloss. This is a new launch, and this one retails for $18. I was confused because I'm like, I have a lip balm and now a gloss, so what is going on in this variation? But when I looked at it and I opened it, I'm like, and I swatched it. You know, I'm like, okay, another here, another gloss. But when I swatched it, I'm like, is this a gloss? Is this for the eyes? Because it's so different, and you guys will see. Look at that. So this is a gloss, and you could put it on your lips, but you could put it on your eyes, and you could also put it on your cheeks. So it's so cute, you guys. Different, unique kind of gloss. I don't know, you can't see it so well, but I'm going to be showing you the video so you guys get to see it a little bit better. And I don't know if this shade's called, I guess, Quasar Goo. I don't know. So yeah, guys, this one retails for $18, and this one is a new launch. So here is my box. This is my variation. This is everything I received. This one retails for, like I said in the beginning, it was $139. At the palette, now that I think about it, I wish that some of these shades here were a little bit more pigmented, more intense, but I did appreciate from here. The only thing I did appreciate more was the shimmers from this palette. I was impressed with the eyeliner. I'm also liking the lip balm from Persona, and I do like that it has vitamin. I'm impressed with that gloss, and I'm loving that I got a toner. So yes, guys, this box was a plus. The palette, I don't know, I just have to play more with it, but I wasn't so impressed with some of the shades there, but overall it was a good box. So thank you guys for spending some time with me on this new year. I appreciate that so much, and thank you again, and until the next video, bye.